Guys, I bring to you a shocking story at this time. On the gist today, Davido has revealed that he is not ready to get married to his longtime fiancée, Chioma. Well, I'm sure this comes as a shock to a lot of people, as they have been expecting that Davido and Chioma would probably get married very soon. The Nigerian music stars, however, busted the bubble of a lot of fans who have been anticipating, saying that he and Chioma are not set to get married. He disclosed recently in an interview and also talked about the several pressure he has had to deal with as fans and close associates continually talk to him about getting married. Well, let's check out what Davido has to say.
People are wicked.
Yeah.
Yo, you don't even want to know. Like, even before, I remember when we did the song. Like, she was just around in the house that time. So we just did on a joke. It was actually just a joke.
Right.
And play, we're like, yo, let's Jones and shoot the video.
Yeah.
And then at first she was like, because she was in Babcock, she was like, oh, if she does the video, she might, get kicked out of school. Her parents didn't really know that she was seeing me. So I remember, before we traveled, Iku, my DJ Iku, he took me to my room and was like, David, are you sure? I said, no, it will be cool. She said, this thing will cause loud. I said, no. And Chioma is asking because nobody knew her then.
Right.
And then we did the video and then we dropped it. And I would even say her blowing up, having her own, it affected the relationship with me a lot. Do you understand? Because she's getting 5,000 messages from people that don't even have faces to account. Hate messages. Because how do you want somebody that has gone from being private to overnight? Even her parents used to get hate texts. So, it affected our relationship a lot. So even that time, when I decided to just go offline, I just started to look, we're not tell anybody anything. Because before, assurance, the video, stuff was so cool. Do you understand? Everybody's relationship.
Yeah.
Kind of. Imagine me walking through the airport. Don't walking airports. I remember, I think I was in Barcelona or somewhere crazy. Oh my, just pushed me. But I married my in-law. I'm like, bro, what? I did, but now we don't.
Okay.
I actually did feel pressure, but at the end of the day, it's between me and her. Not our parents, not the public. Not our sisters, not our brothers. Between me and her. Eventually, yes.
Okay.
But right now, it's not the time. I'm so happy that now she's getting to the money.
Of course.
Yes, that's something she should have been doing. Getting to the money, we're hopefully trying to build a house soon.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, so just make the foundation solid and not just do something because we're riding on the wave of what people want. Do you understand what I'm saying?
And that's it on the gist today, guys. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.